All right, so here's a look at this buffet table that we've got here in our dining room. Now this is gonna be off to the side here, and we got this because we needed to fill in this wall and we wanted something that was really gonna be a statement piece that's gonna stand out. This one right here, we went with the walnut color, and you can see that it also is gonna have these black handles as well. In the front, you're gonna have your glass doors, which are nice. These are gonna swing open. And this would work great also as a drink table as well. You can put drinks, cups, glasses, anything down here. And then you could also put even like a coffee machine up here on the top would be great. Now we need to add some decoration on here. I just threw this plant on here just to kind of give you a look at what it would look like so it's not completely plain. But this is what it looks like fully assembled. You're gonna have your rounded glass pieces up here on the front. There's gonna be 4 total handles and 2 door openings. So let me go ahead and open it up here. You're also gonna see on the inside, gonna have this shelf up here. Now this shelf can actually move. You're gonna see there's also little pieces here, one up at the top, and then there's one underneath it. So if you wanted a little bit more space up at the top or at the bottom, you can move this shelf either up, down. We just went ahead and left it right here in the middle. Also, over here in the back, you're gonna see there's a circle. So you could also put things in here that have power cables. So if you wanted to put something like a receiver or some kind of DVD player or anything like that, it can easily connect and go straight through that hole right there. And that will be the case on all 4 areas. So one up here, one over here, one there, and one there as well. So regardless of how much stuff that you're gonna put in here or what you're gonna be using it for, this thing is super versatile. Now going off the style a little bit more, you're gonna notice that this is a very neutral style that will fit in a lot of different homes. So whether you're going to have a more modern home or a more classic home, I think this is really gonna fit with whatever it is that you use in the house, and it's gonna just kind of mix and match with whatever you've got. Depends kind of what you want to do on the color. I like this dark walnut color. I feel like it looks good. It kind of blends in over here and it isn't super stand out. I wanted something that was going to look very simple and blend in with the rest of our furniture and our dining room, and this one looks great. The quality on this is amazing, especially for what you're getting on this. It's got very nice details here. You can see there's little pieces that kind of stick out there, and it was really easy to put together as well. There's only just a couple of screws that you gotta put in. You could use an electric screwdriver, you can use a regular screwdriver, or you can use something like a drill, but very easy to put together. Probably took about 30 minutes after getting it out of the box, and you could do this with just one person as well. It's also gonna come with mounting pieces. So you can see right now, I don't have it mounted up to the wall, but it would be a good idea if you have kids or if you're just worried about this falling over. You could actually go ahead and mount it up onto the wall. You'll see it'll come with some pieces right here. These will go ahead and hook onto the back, and then you can mount it on the wall. That way it doesn't fall over. Or if you have kids, again, if they kind of pull on this and maybe they tip it over, it won't go because it'll be connected to the wall. And then the last thing here, just for reference, I kind of wanted to show you the size of this. So if we go all the way across, it's gonna be about 55 inches wide. From the wall out, it'll be about 16 inches. And then from the ground up, it's gonna be about 30 inches. So just to give you kind of like a reference on size. Also, you can see here, it's about right below my hip. So if you are gonna have like this as a drink table, it's almost the perfect size for you to grab a glass, put it here, make a drink, and then pull it right off. So many different use cases for this. It looks great. The quality is great on this. So if you're looking for a good side cabinet, something for your dining room, living room, or even in a bedroom, I would definitely recommend getting this one.